everybody!
Hi everybody! Today in this video we are going to learn about Internet. Before proceeding to the lesson, let's have a look at the learning outcome. We will learn about the concept of Internet, Intranet and Extranet. The word Internet comes from combination between interconnection and network. Interconnection means linking of telecommunication networks so that customers of one network can communicate with customers of another network. A network is a collection of computers, servers, mainframes, network devices, peripherals or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. Internet is a global network connecting millions of computers. More than 100 countries are linked into exchanges of data, news and opinions. The Internet links are computer networks all over the world so that users can share resources and communicate with each other. Now, let's see how Internet works. Because the Internet is a global network of computers, each computer connected to the Internet must have unique address. This address is known as an IP address. An IP address is a unique address that identifies a device on the Internet or a local network. It allows a system to be recognized by other systems connected via the Internet protocol. Internet is a network of networks that consists of private, public, academic, business and government networks of local to global scope, linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless and optical networking technologies. The Internet carries a vast range of information resources and services such as the interlinked hypertext documents and applications of the World Wide Web, www, electronic mail, telephony and file sharing. There are three types of computer network. Firstly, local area network. Secondly, metropolitan area network. And thirdly, wide area network. A local area network connects network devices over a relatively short distance. It is used for connecting two or more personal computers through a communication medium such as twisted pair, coaxial cable, and etc. The data is transferred at an extremely faster rate in local area network. It also provides higher security. A metropolitan area network is a large computer network that usually spans a city or a large campus. A metropolitan area network typically covers an area of between 5 km and 50 km diameter. Government agencies use it to connect to the citizens and private industries. In metropolitan area network, various local area networks are connected to each other through a telephone exchange line. It has a higher range than local area network. Wide area network covers a large geographic area such as country, continent or even whole of the world. It is quite bigger network than the local area network. A wide area network is not limited to a single location, but it spans over a large geographical area through a telephone line, fiber optic cable or satellite links. The Internet is one of the biggest wide area network in the world. It is widely used in the field of business, government and education. Now, let's have a look at what are the things we need to connect to the Internet. Firstly, we need computer with modem, router or network card. Secondly, we need an account with Internet Service Provider ISP. ISP provides a connection for individuals to access the Internet and use telephone lines, cable and wireless connections. Examples of ISPs in Malaysia are telecom, jarring, time, maxis, digi, and etc. Thirdly, we need an application software to use the internet. Now let's see who owns the internet. Generally, no one owns the internet because it is a globally distributed computer network comprised of many voluntarily interconnected autonomous networks. But there are several non-profit organizations and user groups, each with a specialized purpose, are responsible for its management. For example, Internet Society, who provides direction in internet standards, education and policy, and also promotes internet use and access. Here, the word intra means within, and for the organization, it is within the organization. For external people, this information is not available anywhere. Intranet is a private network within a company or organization that's similar to the internet. Usually, each company or organization has their own intranet network, and members of that company can access the computers in their intranet. Generally, the intranet in the company is very secure. This means that anyone from outside the company cannot access this information. This is because the intranet is protected by passwords, encryption, and firewalls. Now, let's look at the benefits of using intranet. Firstly, it enhances productivity. This is because the information can be accessed anywhere and at any time in intranet. This helps the workplace get their information whenever they want, thus they can view the information faster and use it as per their needs. Secondly, intranet is time saving. It helps people in the organization get information based on their needs. Thus, only the required amount of information is being given to the employees, and it takes very less time to process it. The employees may link this information to a relevant one and based on their convenience. Thirdly, intranet reduces costs. Anytime the information is needed, employees can access using their desktop or the smartphone. This helps the company in saving the extra space which is required in the form of the physical documents being stored in the organization. There is various information like the internal phone numbers, procedure materials which are required on a day-to-day basis. When the information is available on the hand, it can essentially save the time as well as the money. The organization is freed from costs like printing, maintenance, and many more. Lastly, it is about communication. Intranet can save time by making the communications quick. It works as a powerful tool for an organization horizontally as well as vertically. It can initiate the strategic communications within the company, and as it is secure, companies can rely on it. Every member of the team can be up to date with just a single click. An extranet is a private network that uses internet technology and the public telecommunication system to securely share part of business information or operations with suppliers, vendors, partners, customers, or other businesses. An extranet can be viewed as part of a company's intranet that is extended to users outside the company. Dealing with extranet requires high level of security, since no unintended parties should be able to access the network without permission. Virtual Private Network (VPN) is commonly used to increase the security of an extranet. Now, let's look at the comparison between intranet, intranet, and extranet. An internet is a public network, while intranet and extranet are private networks. Secondly, internet can be accessed by anyone, while intranet and extranet can only be accessed by authorized people. In internet, information can be shared across the world. In intranet, information can be shared securely within an organization, while in extranet, Information can be shared between the employees and external people. Lastly, Intranet is not owned by anyone, while Intranet is owned by a particular organization and Extranet is owned by one or more organizations. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all could understand today's lesson. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you so much. See you all next video.